Hello, welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. So, I was out today. Things happen. So I'm reaching behind me to a box of things. Here's something that I found. Yes, at a thrift store. It doesn't look like much. Let's see here. But it is. Or they say it is a neck warmer. And indeed, I imagine it also do the face pretty well too. But anyway, it seemed like a good thing as winter is coming. Yeah. So I got a couple extras. Also, well, at the thrift store, I noticed, as I think I've mentioned that I'm trying to get a good, perhaps excessive, collection of power bars. I went in and I said, "Oh, looky! See this one here? They have things on the back. These things that you can mount them on things, and I think I'm going to start trying to look for places to do that." Anyway, so I went in and I went, "Oh, it's looking good today," because I found one, two, three. No. Wait for it. Oh, this one is a bigger one. Four. Oh man, I like to get these price stickers. The longer they stay, the more they don't want to come off. Anyway, so four, and this one is, well, it has six. It also has phone protection, which of course who uses that anymore? But yeah, it has six. They're separate. They're on different sides. Anyway, also of course here's the stuff to mount them. I'm going to see about sorting out mounting things a bit. Now, other thing happened there. I will find places to disperse these to. I shall. But another thing happened there in that. Oh, where is it? Oh, maybe I didn't find it in the car. Oh, wait. I was mistaken. There were five. And there's another thing. Maybe I didn't find it. Maybe it's still in the car. It was this grip tape stuff. And this lady who was in front of me had actually found it. And then she was going on about how it was hockey tape. There we are. Another power bar with a very long cord. And it also has phone protect. It also has little lockout things, which is not a terrible thing. Anyway, I think maybe after I get these distributed, I might have enough. No, I don't see the tape here. Anyway, the tape that was there that she found was it was black, and it had very like how would you put it? It was very it had an abrasive side to it, and I don't know why she thought it was hockey tape, but she did. And I looked and I said, "Oh," and I thought, that's like anti-slip tape. And I do have right out in front, there's some wooden stuff by the steps, and it kind of gets slippery. And I thought, Anyway, so I got that because she was going to reject it. Now, if she'd wanted it, of course I would have said, oh, that's good. Anyway, I hadn't thought of that. I just remembered. I put this on my hat. I have this one here. But for the best sound, it needs to go right there. There we go. So, yeah, I think, was that everything I got at the thrift store? I think it was. Anyway, power bars are good. And this grip tape should be good because winter is coming, and it's kind of got, the not paved, like stone things, and then at the edge there's wood. And the top of it, where you might actually step, does get slippery. So I will apply that there. I guess, anyway, when I find it in the car, it has a really good sticking thing. It's a name brand thing that escapes me right now. But it looks like not much, if any, had been used on the roll. And it was good. So, thrifting is good. I'm just trying to think if there's any other thrift stories I have. Because I've been doing my best not, like the best way not to spend is to not to go into such places. But like this hat, which I have used in all kinds of things, came from a thrift store. And the pin that's on this side of it, there we are, came from a thrift store. And I just thought that's the perfect accessory to go where the little feathery thing is. Anyway, um, that's my thrifting story for today. So, I mean, you could spend more, but why? Why? It's people are all big on recycling, but the first thing of the R's is reuse. So somebody or somebody's had the power bars. Maybe it was one person, maybe it was a bunch. And for whatever reason, it was like, no, don't need them anymore. So now I will reuse them. I'm trying to think. It's reuse, recycle. I should know the third. I don't know. There's also repurpose, but I don't think that's the thing that's on there. So, anyway, these now have purpose, and I will reuse them. And they will not end up in a junkyard, a scrapyard, the landfill, or anything like that. So, yes. Oh, by the way, I have Frogger up here. I'm just testing the 64. But I am wanting to, if I do play it, I think I'm wanting to set up where I can really show a close-up of the screen. Because the screen is more exciting than me. It is, especially with gameplay. So, that's it. That's all. Power bars and tape that will hopefully make it less likely that we will fall in the winter. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.